people, my name is Eunice Tess and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, as you can already tell from the title, I'm in a village, of course. For you guys that have been on this channel for some time, you know that I've been doing, well, not for some time, but I've ever done village vlogs. Before every time I'm in the village, I make sure I get for you something, because there is a part of you guys that really love, you know, that kind of village life, and that is what we are going to do in this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in case this is the first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. That way, every time that I upload a video, you get notified. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's do this. Season for people who planted way after us, they were affected by the rain. Beans need rain, but when the rain is excessive, then it kind of distorts everything. So if the rain hits the beans before they fully mature, fully germinate, then they're kind of washed away. But we were lucky that we planted quite before the rest did, so that is why it is early November and our beans are intact. So these are the beans that I've picked today. I'm taking them home. Yeah, so this is how fresh beans look like. For drying, it depends on what you want. If you just have a few of them, you can just after getting them from the garden, you get them from the pods and cook. But when you have very many of them, you put them here, you dry them. After some time, then you remove them from the pods, then you get the dry beans. But if you're like some of us who want fresh beans like me, I honestly don't like dry beans. You prepare the fresh ones, and that is what you're going to use for either sauce or katogo, whatever it is you want them for. That it depends on the way you want to take your beans. You can see there are some that we left out there to dry, but then these other fresh ones, we got some of the fresh ones that we had gotten from the garden in the morning. As you can see, this is how they look. This is how fresh beans look like. So it depends on what you want. You can either dry them and take them dry or do the fresh ones. So these are the ones that we are going to prepare for dinner today, dinner or supper, whatever it is we are going to have them. Yeah, so you can get closer and have a look. So I don't know how you guys prepare food in your villages. Like I said in my previous video, you guys already know that we use cooking stones where I come from in my village. So right now we are at a stage where we are boiling the beans. We are using a pot. So our beans are in here. Maybe you can get closer and show them. Yeah, so our beans are boiling in that pot. So we're going to cover them. Yeah, and wait for them to get ready. dinner. So we did the beans up. You guys last saw the beans as they were being prepared in the pot. Then we added some greens, as you guys might have seen in a shot somewhere. Yeah, so we prepared some rice and some matoke, as you can see. So that is what we're having. This is our meal. And in case this was your first time on this channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so the next time that I upload a video you get notified. Feel free to come and join me. See you guys in my next video. Bye.